Now this is the final booklet.
My lord, ये तो सिर्फ साहिबजादा साहब की है. In response to the direction yesterday, I had, my lord, asked the ECP to get the 81 nomination forms and record of. There are 81 independents who've joined SIC. My lord, that record was with at the district level with the returning officers. It was called for. I went through it for the first time. Also, my lord, I saw it yesterday. Those paper books are being bound, and in the midst of my arguments, hopefully they'll arrive. But I have a summary of all of them in a table form, which I'll take my lord through in any event. So,
आप जरा माइक को जरा, क्योंकि आप माइक से हट जाते हैं.
I'm sorry, sir.
माइक को.
Sir, may I just quickly go through this paper book now because this is.
आपने PTI की प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट भी मांगी थी, वो नहीं आप लाए शायद.
जी सर, है ना PTI की फॉर्म 66 जो उनकी लिस्ट है, वो भी ले आए. सर मैं ले आऊँगा वो. I had requested, sir. I apologize. There was a lot of paper that was requested, but I had formally requested ECP, and I'll submit it, sir. So, my lord, in this case, the candidate's nomination form, which is at page 1 of this small paper book, it says, on page 2, he says, Mera Taluk Sunni Ittihad Council, Alliance PTI. ठीक है sir. Then his nomination papers are accepted, my lord, at 3. And then on the 13th, my lord, first of all, there is a party affiliation ticket submitted for Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.
Where is that? Sorry?
That's, my lord, tab D. Then, my lord, on the same day at tab E, a statutory declaration is submitted, which is on oath. It refers to section 66, which requires the party affiliation certificate, my lord. And this says, I am at present affiliated with PTI N, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazriyati, which is a completely separate enlisted political party with its own chairman and constitution, etc. It's not the PTI. On the same day, my lord. Then, my lord, there was he submitted a written request to the RO in which he refers to the matter pending, and then he says, I may be allotted shuttlecock, which is one of the symbols for independent candidates. And then ultimately, my lord, on G, tab G, which is page 7, this is his form 33. The shuttlecock symbol was already taken, so he was allotted, my lord, the symbol of tower instead as an independent, and he contested as an independent based on his own application, and ultimately was returned as an independent, my lord, and the form 49 notifying it is on page 9. So this is one example, my lord. Then all 81, my lord, I went through yesterday for the first time, and if the papers are here, I think it'll be better if I go through it. They basically fall into 3-4 broad categories. One category follows this pattern where it says PTI, then the PTI-N ticket comes, then an application for withdrawal of that formally or orally
Where is
comes.
that, the withdrawal part?
My lord, ये इनका खत है जो उर्दू में खत है, उसमें वो कह रहे हैं कि मुझे अगर ये नहीं दे सकते तो फिर मुझे शटलकॉक दें. So he is saying, give me the
withdrawal of the declaration,
withdrawal of just his earlier certificate, जी. वो उर्दू वाला खत जी. Because he says, my lord, he is withdrawing because he is saying, now can you please issue me the symbol for independence.
Total 80 or 81?
Sorry, 81, my lord.
So now we are dealing with 80.
जी, ये एक हो गया सर.
उनको माइनस करें 80 हो गया.
जी, वो सारे आ जाएंगे आपके पास. वो जब सर आ जाएंगे तो I'll take my lord through. But basically a similar kind of pattern.
इस उर्दू वाले में ये तो नहीं लिखा कि मैं आज़ाद होना चाह रहा हूँ या मैं वो सर्टिफिकेट जो एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट है वो विड्रॉ करना चाहता हूँ।
जी बिल्कुल सर, बट
ये
वो
नहीं
क्या, आई अग्री सर, आई अग्री. What he says instead is issue me the symbol for shuttlecock.
नहीं, पहले बैट का कहा।
पहले बैट, if that's not available, then shuttlecock.
उसने कहा कि अगर बैट अदालत से ना मिले
बिल्कुल
तो शटलकॉक दे दो।
बिल्कुल, तो उसको
Does it mean that he was independent?
My lord, he contested. देखें सर, इसके ऊपर मेरा सबमिशन ये है कि they are certainly independents, and with utmost respect to them, and it's for the appellant to clarify also, how can they not claim to be independents? Because only independents, this is undisputed hopefully, that only an independent can join within 3 days. And they have joined under Rule 62(9). So, sir.
ये देखे ना, इसके आप जो तरतीब आपने बताई,
जी।
फर्स्ट नॉमिनेशन जिसमें कहा कि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस,
Sir.
फिर पीटीआई टिकट,
That's right.
देन
PTIN.
पीटीआईएन का भी टिकट आया है।
PTIN का सर टिकट नहीं है, उसकी वो
नहीं आया।
स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन है.
उसके बाद, उस डिक्लेरेशन के बाद कहा कि सिंबल
मुझे दे दो. Then he asks for
उस डिक्लेरेशन के मुताबिक टिकट नहीं आया पीटीआई।
डिक्लेरेशन के साथ नजरियाती जो लिखा है उसका टिकट फाइल हुआ है।
नहीं, इस रिकॉर्ड इस वाले में नहीं है सर वो.
So there's only one certificate
So
of
there is like 1/2 of something. He needs to.
एक सेकंड जरा factually clear कर
बिल्कुल
दें.
सर.
We just don't need to spend so much time on it, but the certificate that's on the record for Sahibzada is only of PTI.
Sir, the certificate.
The other is just a declaration but does not have a certificate with it. That's his own self-styled document.
Let me put it this way.
The document of the party is only one.
Yes. So his party, my lord, may I clarify it in a little bit though? His party affiliation ticket, his party affiliation certificate is of PTI, and his statutory declaration of person nominated affidavit is of
What would cut it
PTI.
is the certificate, you see. So certificate एक ही है ना?
The certificate
So
एक ही
he is there, he goes into the elections with a certificate of PTI.
Yeah, that's right.
And so, but you considered
he-
him as a independent because of whatever reasons
जी,
that you
बिल्कुल,
might. ठीक हो गया,
बिल्कुल,
वहाँ
एक चीज ये भी देख लीजिए, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में जो डिक्लेरेशन है ना इनका,
जी सर.
उसमें तो कहते हैं that I am at present affiliated with
सर, मैं यही
Pakistan
कह रहा हूँ कि
Tehreek
देखिए, there's a
Insaf Nazariyati and a certificate from political party Pakistan Tehreek Insaf Nazariyati showing that I am party
नहीं।
candidate from the above said constituency is attached.
So sir, this is my.
It's not attached, not
This is-
according to your record.
जी, but sir, he makes a statement on oath saying that I am at present in PTIN.
You've understood your point. उसका
बिल्कुल,
legal effect हम देख
जी
लेंगे.
इसका लीगल इफेक्ट आप देखेंगे. I just wanted
यहाँ पे
that I have a rider to what my.
एक बात और बता दे जरा
Right.
इस तरफ।
I want to understand your case. आपके मुताबिक ultimately
जी, sir.
when the dust settles
जी, जी.
on the 13th
बिल्कुल,
of January, your case, your understanding,
जी, sir.
the election commission is that you granted him the election symbol under section 63(3). Is that correct?
मैं देख लूँ एक दफा सेक्शन 63 सर.
ये जरा आपकी क्या पोजीशन?
67
जो पोजीशन है सो है
जी सर, मेरी पोजीशन ये है कि the ROs went
आप
with.
देखिए, आप हमें सिर्फ ये बता दीजिए, आरओ की जो है, आरओ तो आप ही के लोग हैं, आप हमें बताइए इलेक्शन कमीशन की क्या पोजीशन है।
मैं बताता हूँ.
आपने उनको इलेक्शन सिंबल टावर जो अलॉट किया अंडर सेक्शन 67(3) किया, इज दैट योर पोजीशन?
3 किया. Yes,
Three?
yes,
Yes, that is your-
जी.
Who